Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. The third thing, this is a reading. This is a reading from today till the 10th of November. Okay, let's start Pisces. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Let's see. Six of Wands, celebrating something, celebrating some kind of victory, celebrating some kind of spotlight, or they're feeling like a mini celebrity. They have done something that's making them like might be famous in their community. But this person right now in celebration mode. It could be any kind of celebration, but this person right now is celebrating. That is good energy, good, beautiful energy. Let me clarify the Six of Wands. They're in the spotlight right now. At least they're feeling like this. Okay, let me clarify. Three of Cups and the Fool and the Two of Wands. Okay, they're celebrating the thought that they are going to reconcile and they are going to take the leap of faith or take the risk with you, and they're just waiting for the right time. Or it could also be possible that they are celebrating some kind of ceremony, some kind of engagement or marriage or something, and they are just trying to start another chapter of their life, and they are just taking a leap of faith with time. Okay, and they have taken a decision. Okay, they have taken a certain decision regarding their love life and they are ready to take the leap of faith and they are celebrating that. Okay, got it, cool. Let's see what's your current energy, Pisces. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Six of Swords. You're trying your best to move towards a peaceful solution to a problem or peaceful future, calmer future. You're moving towards you are at least trying energetically to move towards this kind of situation in your life because you're fed up of the negativity and toxicity around you. You're just fed up of all this. That's why. Let me clarify the Six of Swords. Let me see. Death card and the Six of Pentacles and the Judgment. So you could be dealing with a Scorpio here. You are in the transformation phase of your life right now. You're trying your best to balance out things in your life right now. Okay, you're trying to seek the balance and you're trying to forgive and forget everyone. You're just trying to forgive and forget everyone and trying to move towards a better future, a peaceful future. Okay, you're ending things. You are in the transformation phase right now. You could be dealing with the Scorpio, I think I told you. So you are in the transition phase right now, transforming phase right now. You're trying to bring your balance back in your life and you're just forgiving everyone, and it's like, yeah, I forgive you and I just want to move on from this situation. I don't want any kind of negativity right now in my life. This is your situation right now, Pisces. Let me see what this person feels for you or what your person feels for you, whomsoever you're connected with. Let's see. Let's see. Knight of Swords. They want to rush into. They want to run away from from a certain situation right now. They are in a hurry. They are in this mad rush to do something. Okay, they're just running away from a situation that needs to be. They feel like running away right now. They feel like running away. They feel like to rush towards something, and they feel like this is the time to take action. Otherwise, it will go away. Otherwise, this situation will completely get away from me. So this is the situation. They are into rushing energy right now. Let me clarify. This is what they feel for you. They feel rushed towards you. They feel like they should come running towards you because might be that will be too late if they are going to delay something. Let me clarify the Knight of Swords. Mental games going on. Mental games. Okay, let's see. Three of Pentacles and the Devil card and the Page of Wands. What? Could be dealing with a Capricorn. So what they feel for you is they feel like leaving the third party and communicate back with you. They feel like they are running from the toxicity or negativity of a third party. So it could be the third party could be you also, Pisces. It could be you also, that they are moving away. So from two of you, from you and from them, they feel like they should just run away and just move towards somebody who is. This is very complicated reading, Pisces, I'm telling you. So they are moving away from you towards a third party and restarting them and having they feel like moving away right now and having an affair with somebody else. What? I feel like this person is having an extramarital affair if you guys are married, and if you guys are committed, they feel like going towards something that is obsessive. They're addicted to something or someone, and they're just running towards them. They're moving. They feel like moving their back towards you, and turning their back towards you, and moving towards somebody who is looking exciting to them. God. They feel like moving towards the third party right now and leaving you behind. This is the situation here. And they're celebrating this addiction. What? Let me see what this person wants from you. Pisces, it's very, very complicated. Three of Pentacles, what the hell? What this person wants from you. I have to clarify this Three of Pentacles. This is giving me mixed signals right now. I just have to clarify the Three of Pentacles as what they want from you. Let's see. This heavy third party situation here. Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles, then Devil card, then again Three of Pentacles, heavy third party situation here. I don't know from what they're running. Might be they're running from somebody else and they're coming straight towards you, or might be they're running from you and they're going straight toward the third party. I don't know what is happening. Okay, what they want from you is they want this burden to lift up. They feel like this relationship or this connection is becoming a burden. It could be you. See, the roles can be reversed anytime. So what they want from you is they want to communicate. They want to communicate and they want you to back off right now. Okay, they just want you to back off right now because this is not the right situation to be in, or this is not the right time to be with them, or there's something that is disheartening here. This person just wants you to work on your situation, work on yourself, just lift the burden, release the burden and communicate with them, and just be silent for some time, or just go away from their life sometime, just vanish. This is kind of negative reading, Pisces, I understand, but this is what is happening. I know. Let me see what is coming towards you till 10th of November. Three of Wands. Waiting for your ships to arrive. You are going to wait for something. Your person is turning back towards you and you're waiting for something to happen. Okay. You're just waiting for someone or something to happen. Let me clarify. This is becoming a very, very negative reading. I just don't know to finish it, but I have to. You are just waiting for the time that they are going to connect with you and they are going to restart this connection with you. You are just waiting for that time in your life. You are just very, very slow to approach them, or very, very slow to go towards them, or understand that yes, this is the situation right now. You are trying your best to remain calm and composed. So you are just going to wait for their call or message or something like that, and you are going to wait for the offer from their side, friendship offer, a love offer, or to restart this connection with them. This is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do, Pisces. This is a very, very sad reading, I understand, but you have to deal with this situation. It's a very, very complicated reading, complicated thing going on in your life right now, I understand. So thank you so much for tuning in, else. I just hope this reading is going to give you some kind of insight of what you should do. So thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.